Love that one.
224 on 114 feet. Yeah, that one was really good.
Yeah. Was that the 254?
Yeah. Love that. Good one there.
Yeah.
236. 240 on that one. Good spins, 42.
It's a little towed.
Yeah, spin still stayed at 41, still 109, still 237. That's pretty right there. Love that. That extra helps when you want to take something off it. Because if we start just a little higher, when you take something off, it's still getting to 100. So when you try to hit that 230 shot, because that's the only one, did we hit that? Hit this one like 230? Yeah, I think that's the big 227 again.
Sweet.
Love that.
You love it, I love it.